Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to implement queue using Python. So first of all, let's see what is a queue. So queue is a linear data structure in which elements are inserted, which are inserted first will come out first. For example, a ticketing line. So when you go to buy ticket, the person who goes to buy the ticket first comes out from the line first. So now let's see what are the different ways in which queue can be implemented in Python. So there are three ways. So the first one is by using a list, second one is by using collections.deque, and third one is by using queue.Queue. Now let's go to the Jupyter and see how it is implemented. So first we will see how to implement queue using list. Okay, implement queue using list. So first of all, we will create one list. Let the name be queue. So first we are going to create one empty list. Now we are going to append some elements here. So queue.append. So first element is 1. So it will be inserted. Then we are going to append next element. Let it be queue.append 6. So 1 will be inserted first, then 6, and then 3. Okay, now let us print queue after insertion. Okay, so let's see the queue. So otherwise let us just write down initial queue. Okay, it will be better. So let us print the queue. So inside print I'll write down queue, that is the name of the list. You see 1 inserted first, then 6, and then 3. So elements are getting inserted from the rear end. Now suppose we want to delete the elements, so we will use queue.pop. Okay, queue is the name of the list. So pop, inside pop I'll write down 0. That is the element which is inserted first will be deleted first. Okay, now let's pop one more element. So I'll just write down queue.pop again, 0 I will put here. Okay, now after this, if I press shift enter, you see these are the elements that are popped. First 1 has been popped out or deleted, and then 6. Now if we want to see what is there in the queue after deletion, so let us write queue after removing elements. So I'll just write down print inside bracket queue. Okay, QUE. Okay, so now you see only 3 is left. 2 elements has been popped from the front. So this is how you are going to implement queue using list. So now let's see how to implement queue using collection.deque. Okay, so first of all, deque is a list-like object in collections which helps to perform append and deletion from both the ends of the queue. So first of all, we will write from collections import deque. So we will write queue equal to deque. So deque we have the object deque we have called, and we have placed it in the variable queue. Now we are going to append the elements. So we are just going to write queue.append. That is, from the end the elements will be inserted. First 3, then 7, then 8. Now if we print queue, if we write just print queue, you will see what it comes. Let us write initial queue. Okay, and now we will just print inside it, we will write queue. So the initial deque is 3 is inserted first, then at the end 7, then at the end again 8. Now we will see how to remove the elements. Since it is a deque, you can perform deletion from both the ends. So we will perform deletions from the left hand side. Okay, so we will just write print queue.pop left. Okay, no need to write in anything inside the brackets. Now let us pop another element from left. So we will write queue.pop left again. Now if we press shift enter, you see 3 and 7. First 3 has been deleted, and then 7. Now if we want to see the remaining queue after removing the elements, we will just write down print queue after removing elements, print queue. So only 8 is left. This is how we can implement queue using deque. Now let us see how we can implement queue using queue.Queues. Okay, so let us write implementation by queue.Queues. So first of all, we will have to import it. So we will write from queue import queue. Okay, so now we will create one queue, that is we will call the object queue. So we will write queue equal to queue, and inside it we will have to give the maximum size, that is how many elements you can enter in the queue. So I am giving it max size equal to 3. Now if I write print queue size, let us write queue size, you will see that it gives 0 because now the queue is empty. Now let us insert some elements into the queue. So I'll write queue.put a. I have already shown you how to insert numbers in the queue, so this time we are inserting something other than numbers, so we will have to give it within single quotes. So 3 elements I have entered, A, B and C. So after inserting the elements, we can check whether queue is full or not using queue.full. It is showing true. We can remove the elements using queue.get. 3 elements has been removed. Then we can check whether it is empty or not. It is showing true. Again, we have inserted 1 element using put, and we have checked whether it is empty or full. It is showing false. So that's all for today's video. So if you like the video, please do like and share. Thank you everyone.